When life throws legal challenges your way, whether it's something urgent or planning for the future, you want a team you can trust. CLLB Law offers experts, reliable representation across a wide range of practice areas, delivering efficient, cost-effective solutions while still fighting for the results you deserve. Here with more are Steve and Dana. Thanks for joining us.
You're welcome.
Hi,
we're glad to be here. It's always a lot of fun.
I know. I mean, we had a packed show today, but a lot of people need to kind of get things in order. A lot of people are thinking about Derby. Maybe they're putting things off until after Derby, but we want to keep this.
No, tell them no. They got to come in
We can't do that.
Now, yes.
So you brought a new guest with you, Steve. So
Yeah.
please introduce Dana for us.
This is Miss Dana Eberly. I've worked with Dana for
13 years.
Has it been that long? I was
Yes.
trying to remember. Yeah, I froze. But she does family law for us. She runs our family law department. And so we've got a large firm, and we do a lot of different things, you know, whether it's business issues or family law or elder law or litigation. We do a lot of things, real estate, all those things, right? And for what I do, elder law, every family that comes to me has different issues going on.
Yeah.
And it could involve some family law, and it could involve some business interests or those things. And so it's great having a team that when I've got a problem, they've got a solution.
Right.
I don't have to know everything because they typically know more than I do about those things.
Well, and that's perfect. You want, you know, a whole team of people in your corner when life happens.
Yeah.
Right? You don't just want to rely on that one person. It's so great that you have a whole team. So what really brought you and really why you wanted to practice law?
It was the typical story of I was a very argumentative child, and my mother told me you should be a lawyer.
Yeah.
And that was ingrained in me very early, so I knew that it was something that I always wanted to do.
Mm-hmm. And what does it mean to you to just be able to help so many people in our community?
Well, for me particularly, since I do family law, I do every aspect of family law, and so I get families in crisis. Mm-hmm. Whether it's a divorce, which we do a lot of divorces,
yeah.
But every divorce is different. Every divorce is a snowflake, and some people, it's more of a tragic experience for them than others. But something as simple, if you can say that, as a divorce, all the way to child abuse cases.
Yeah.
And we get in custody battles, and people are fighting over children, and people unfortunately are abusing children.
Yeah.
And then on the other end of the spectrum, I get to do adoptions. That's my favorite part of the job. That makes sense. That would be my favorite part of the job. I love doing adoptions. So there's a good balance there. But whether I'm doing something that is in crisis mode or whether I'm doing something happy like an adoption, I am affecting a family.
Right.
So when they're going through a divorce, their family's going to look different. And being able to help them through that process and plan accordingly for this new picture of their family, and creating new families through adoptions. I mean, everything I do, every case I do, affects that family and its future. So it means a lot to me to be able to do that.
And it sounds like when you work with CLLB Law, you're treated like family too, because you're so local to the area.
We are. We all grew up here. Dana grew up here. I grew up here. We're blessed to get to work with the people that we work with, and honestly, I'm probably with Dana more than I am with Karen, my wife.
Oh my goodness.
She's probably pretty happy about that, but I don't know if Dana is, but Karen probably is. But no, it's we work with great people, and we all love the community. We're all involved in the community. Don't get her started on her Jeep group. You'll never stop, never get her out of here. So, yeah, no, we're very blessed.
Yes, I think this is a great reminder for people to, to get that estate plan rather sooner than later. Maybe if they are thinking about separation or maybe starting, expanding their family too. I think that's so great that you just kind of cover everything.
Well,
really a one-stop shop.
I've got a daughter getting married May of 27. It's that time of year, right? You got the holidays, you got the marriage days, you got all those days, right? And those times are coming, and so maybe a prenuptial, something like that, right? Dana's there to help you through those issues.
There we go, just like that. Well, thank you both so much for coming on today. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Sure.
All right, so to learn more, get in touch with the team, just head over to CLLBlegal.com.